It started as a desire to connect teachers to each other. You're able to mobilize the community, you're able to review each other's work and run ideas past each other and have support for trying new things. That's missing sometimes within a school culture.
Some of us really felt like we were the lone voice on our campus saying it's important to get outside. You know, there's a lot of value in gardening with students or observing the natural world.
To reconnect kids with nature and have them stop and smell the different flowers and feel the texture of different leaves. And it's important to realize that we are connected to the earth. It calms us to be outside, to breathe the air, to feel the wind. It's for sure, it has an impact.
Children's connection to nature can and should happen at school, and that as teachers, we can impact that.
Having that inertia and that community to work with and bounce ideas off of has been really crucial. We both feel support and then feel heard and are able to share some solutions.
It's a vulnerable spot to have somebody come and look at your garden and see the successes and challenges that you've had. But from those challenges are so many learning opportunities.
You have all of those resources, and I really do think that having that community to go back to strengthens the individual's practice as well.
Really enjoy being a member of an organization that promotes being outside and involved in our natural environment.
I think it's really important for teachers in this world of green schoolyards to have a community to lean on and support each other. There's a real power to the collaborative nature of the Cadre. This collective impact model happens even on this smaller scale of 10 campuses being represented.
The collaboration is very powerful and effective.
I think that it really develops that kind of environmental stewardship, and that then they bring that home, they bring that to their classroom. It really continues to spread.
This is where I see a lot of the real impact of my work as the outdoor learning specialist, and just want to thank Cinca and Westcave and the teachers for their commitment and collaboration and for really bringing this project to life.
Thank you so much for honoring the Austin Independent School District's Outdoor Cadre for the Ely Walker Award for Collaboration. The Cadre represents teachers from 10 different campuses in Austin ISD who are committed to greening their school yards and connecting their students to nature. They have become real leaders for the district and on their campuses, and I'm so proud to support their work as Austin ISD's Outdoor Learning Specialist.
I want to say I'm proud to be a part of the Outdoor Learning Cadre and Girls Outside. I love to see the bonds that developed with the mentors and the mentors, as well as the students at Brooke Elementary. I'm thankful for being able to inspire and get the girls involved and motivated to protect and love outdoor spaces. Thank you.
I'm honored that our group has been acknowledged for our hard work over the past few years. We started as a way of connecting educators who may not always have people around them doing the same jobs with the same responsibilities. It can be a very alienated position to be on a school campus, but we were able to create our own community of care and collaboration. I hope we continue to work together with other people from around Texas and our surrounding areas. Thank you.
I love the collaboration from our pre-K all the way up to 12th grade as we work together to team and connect girls and students outside.
Thank you so much for acknowledging our efforts to foster environmentalism, and we had a great time doing it.
I love being a part of this cadre because it's really nice to be connected with other people. It's improved my teaching. I'm outside more because of these wonderful educators, and thank you for honoring us.
The Outdoor Learning Cadre has meant collaboration, exploration, and the elevation of environmental stewardship for all of our students who have participated. Thank you so much for honoring us with this award.
Thank you very much for this award. I feel honored to receive it and also to do this great work with these fine people. Thanks.
The Outdoor Cadre has helped me connect with other educators through AISD that kind of have that same emphasis on outdoor education, and I think it also in part has helped the girls on my campus feel connected to something bigger throughout the district.
The Cadre has become a community family that we can explore and expand on ideas on getting students that don't have accessibility to the outdoors and might not be able to explore. We can get them out there, and it's just been a blessing, and it's been an honor, and it's just given me so many smiles and so many beautiful memories to be able to share. Thank you.
I am going to accept on behalf of Dawn Davis from O'Henry Middle School and Hunter Willie from Covington Middle School, who were not able to join us today.